Another thing that has changed. T15. So after you remove that T15 screw there, you can supposedly, there we go. You don't need a ton of space. Did not think this part through. Let's see. All right, that is the main dash vent lights knocked out. Just gotta mount this guy back in there. All right, so now I'm gonna feed these footwell lights through where I fed the middle console part through. These footwell lights are going to be a bitch. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the recording now because I know it's just gonna waste space.